Hey guys, Rich Bassini, YouTube vlogger and creator here. As some of you may know, that YouTube had taken that feature where you could drop a link in your description, whatever, to hyperlink it to another channel or to somebody else's YouTube videos, whatever. Well, apparently you can't do that anymore, as far as I know. If there's any changes, please let me know. Drop a comment below. But I'm going to show you how you could use your YouTube Shorts, okay, to promote your own videos. Okay, so without further ado, let's get right to it. I'm going to put my glass on here. I'm going to minimize the screen here. I should say minimize me. Here we are at my home page. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here. We're going to go pick out a short video over here, a YouTube short video. It's right over here. And I'll use this one. It says saying thank you to all the new subscribers. And I do want to say thank you to all the new subscribers who have recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you. It is greatly appreciated. I do hope you like the content, come back for more. And it's the first time hitting my YouTube channel, so I want to say welcome. So hope you get a takeaway from it. All right, so we want to get to this window here, the channel content one, okay? And what you want to do is we're going to click this on, and it's going to take us to another window, the video details. Now, I like this thing here. This is with Tube Spanner. They put this here, title readability score, laid at 96. That's not bad. See what it says over here? It goes on to say here, my mouse cursor starts moving around. It says, this appears to be easy read, to be very easy read, okay? It says, yes, this video title is likely to grab the viewer's attention as it is a positive and encouraging message. It conveys appreciation for the people who have chosen to follow the channel, and it also implies that the viewer may be thanked if they choose to subscribe. This title could be effective in encouraging more people to subscribe, as it shows that the channel appreciates its viewers and is thankful for their support. It's pretty cool, right? That's with Tube Spanner. But anyway, we'll talk about that another time. Okay, so here we're going to go over here. This is the video. It says thank you. If you want to listen to it, you can check it out. I don't want to play it. I don't want this video to be too long. So when you come over here where it says related video, now if you click on a little question mark, it'll say over here, guide your audience to a piece of your content related to this video. Okay, now if I had another video that's related to it, I would post it on here, but I want to show you guys, for all intents and purposes, how it's done. So what you're going to do is when you click this on, we're going to pretend this is not here. This is the one I did add to it. So when people look at my YouTube video that's short, this is what they're going to see there. New YouTubers never give up on your dreams. But for argument's sake, we're going to just click this on here, and it's going to bring you to another window. Choose a specific video. Now, these are all your videos, okay? So it's another way of promoting your video using the YouTube Shorts video, right? So you can pick out whatever you want here, right? And let's just say I want to do this one here, the one I did yesterday. Be creative with the one this year, right? I could click that on here, right? And here it is right over here, okay? There it is. And if I don't want to, I can just undo the changes, which I'm going to do right now. But that's another way of promoting that video, okay? Now, if you want to undo the changes, say, I don't want to do it, I'm going to leave it just the way it is. But I'm showing you this for argument's sake. But remember, let me just go back again and do this again here. I want to point this out to you guys. All right, it's the little details that make a big difference to me. Okay, when you do change it, make sure you click save. Okay, make sure you click, because if you do it, if you don't click the save on it, it's just going to revert back to that once already there, or you won't have anything. Now, if you don't put anything there, you're not going to. It's not going to show up on your video on your YouTube short. Okay, just remember that. So whenever you do it, if you do go to, it's going to take you to your video list there. Make sure that you put whatever you want, you click save on it, okay? But for argument's sake, we're going to click it off, okay? And this is what we're going to leave here. I'm going to leave this on here. New YouTubers never give up on your dreams. That's what it's supposed to be. And when you click it on, where's it going to show up?
Hey guys,
let's see if I can do this right here.
Let's
see if I can just pause it. Here it is. All right, right over here.
Hey guys,
and I try to pause this here. There we go. It'll say over here, new YouTubers never give up, okay? And this title will show up underneath. It'll say saying thank you to all you new subscribers. Okay, so that's how that works. So you could promote with the YouTube short, you could promote the video. Okay,
YouTube vlogger creator here.
Okay, that's how it's going to show up. This is the one that we put in here. That is an active hyperlink. And when you do click it on, it's going to hyperlink you over there, just like it is over here. So it'll take you to this window here. Okay?
Hey guys.
And this is the one over here I'm talking about, never give up on your dreams. Okay? So, shorts plus videos equals views. Try for yourself. What do you have to lose but everything to gain by gaining more views, hopefully, and subscribers. So, I hope this video helps out. If you have any questions or whatever, drop a comment below. If you like the content I put out, hopefully you like me as a content creator, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you want to be updated to when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Richard Passini signing off. I will talk to you guys the next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.